First at 6, a controversial trial has wrapped up, but a decision is still up in the air.
Yeah, father is accusing the New Orleans coroner's office of failing to identify his son for weeks, letting his body deteriorate. WDSU investigator Aubrey Killian has been on top of the story from the beginning. He joins us with the latest from inside the courtroom today. Aubrey?
Hey, Stella, Gina. So a portion of our investigation, it was played as a part of testimony today, and people inside the courtroom, they were sobbing.
This was about respect. It was about dignity.
Sidney Smith leaving civil court Tuesday and hopes by telling his story, change will happen.
To ensure that no other family has to go through this hideous manner in which the coroner dealt with my son's body.
Smith claims negligence against Dr. Dwight McKenna and his office. His son Justin died of a drug overdose in June of 2023. He alleges Justin's body remained unidentified for nearly a month. He says he filed a missing persons report, sought protective custody, but was unaware that his son's body was at the morgue. Attorneys for the coroner saying the building provided by the city had significant AC problems. They also claim that the city's failure to provide the NOPD with proper fingerprinting equipment caused the delay.
As tragic as the events are, the coroner's office did not act outrageously. If it ever happens again, presumably it would never will, the coroner's office now knows how to handle it.
Have they implemented any new or solid written policies?
Well, the chief investigator for the coroner's office, who is really the operations officer, says if this ever happens again, this is the way we're going to handle it.
But attorneys firing back, saying the coroner is responsible. A city operations manager also took the stand. When asked, how did it make you feel that the coroner's office was blaming you, he said, I didn't think it was fair. I was taken aback. I give you immediate service. And in court, this portion of a WDSU Investigates interview with the coroner was played.
People who are trying to profiteer and immortalize the deaths of their loved ones. I have all the sympathy in the world for their loved one, but we didn't kill them. And if you had spent the time you're taking now to go after us and had spent that time with them, maybe they wouldn't have wound up on my morgue.
That is beyond repulsive and infuriating.
The biggest revelation was probably that Dr. McKenna didn't come and acquit himself, that he didn't come testify.
All Smith wants is justice. He's fighting cancer and says he's unsure if he'll be alive by the end of the year.
It's justice for Justin.
An attorney say it could cost as much as $1 million to the city, but that total, it's going to be up to the judge. Additional court documents, those will be filed Friday. A decision, it is expected by potentially next week. Gina, back to you.
All right, Aubrey, thank you. And to view the full investigation into the coroner's office and the civil case, you can visit our website. That's WDSU.com.
A multi-agency investigation results